wants a drink. I'll treat you to some soda right now. Oh no, I spilled it. I need to clean it up quickly before my mom sees it. Oh no, I think my flower is sick. I'll think of something. We'll take a napkin, wrap it around a pencil, and squeeze it. Then we'll shape it and glue it to a piece of paper. We'll add other squeezed napkins, and we'll start coloring it with bright colors. It's a work of art. Mom will definitely like it. Someone doesn't want to listen to an interesting fairy tale. There's a solution. Let's take a clothes rail and some white fabric. You'll also need a flashlight and some printed figures. And the magic begins. Sit down and watch a fairy tale about animals. It's very interesting. Try doing this at home. You will definitely be delighted and surprise your loved ones. Wow! Mom, look at my hands. So many prints. Oh, I don't think Mom likes it very much. Let's play a different game. Let's take a sheet of paper, draw squares on it, and stick stickers on it. You need to count how many fruits and berries there are. Don't forget to stamp it. Great job! Wow, so much paint! I want to paint my t-shirt a different color. Mom, sorry. I think Mom has something up her sleeve. Let's take a photo, stick it on paper, and roll it up. Let's put it in our cardboard structure. Now watch and get ready to be amazed. This is so cool. Your t-shirt is getting clean. It's great, isn't it? Oh, it seems someone went outside without mittens and got cold. Let me help you. Let's take some cardboard, cut it to shape, and wrap it with knitting yarn. Then we'll thread a different color of yarn in the other direction and remove the cardboard. These are the best warm mittens. Now your hands will definitely be warm and you won't freeze. Let's go play in the snow. Wow, what a cool toy, a spring. I have an idea what to do with it. Let's pour some soapy water and dip our toy in it. Let's blow up a soap bubble and see what happens. It's real magic, incredible. Oh no, I dropped all my things. And I can't pick them up. Don't worry, I have a good idea. Let's take a bottle and remove the extra parts. Let's put it in the right shape and add some bright details. It turned out to be a super fashionable handbag. How does it suit you? I'm so excited. have a super cool mug, and now I'm going to prank my mom. Are you ready to see it? Aha! I love doing pranks. Oh, sorry. Looks like something didn't go according to plan. There was no water in it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Your time is up. You have exactly 1 minute to pull out this boot. Think carefully about how to do it correctly. Can't figure it out? Think and use your wits. You just need to bend this piece of paper and everything will work out. See? Hooray! Wow! What a cool toy! I want one too, but I only have this one. We need to throw it away and make a toy with our own hands. Connect the parts of the plastic egg together and thread a stick through them. Close it and glue on the eyes. Now we have a caterpillar. What a cool and fun toy! I want to share this with you. Play with it. It's fun. Sharing is important. Show your attentiveness and find the differences. Look carefully and don't miss anything. Wow, you're doing great. Let's try the next picture. Yes, that's right. Let's move on. You're doing great. You found 3 differences. Just a little more. Bravo! Excellent work! Let me show you how to do it. Just draw pictures that are slightly different from each other, color it in, and cut it into 2 pieces. Put them in cardboard cameras and start looking for the differences. It's easy and simple. I want to show you something. Look, it's your pulse. Now I'll show you how it works. To do this, pour water into a glass, add food coloring, find a ball, and insert the straws. Each heartbeat sends a new batch of blood, which is why we can feel our pulse on our wrist or neck. Math can be fun and interesting. Use air clay to learn math. Look closely at how easy and simple it is to learn math. Repeat it yourself. Count the petals of the flowers and find the answer. Subtraction is also easy and simple. Watch carefully. Let's see how multiplication works in math. Bravo! Eat fruit. It's good for growing bodies. I think I have an idea. Let's put spinach, lemon, and yogurt in a blender. Mix everything well. Pour it into a container, sprinkle with cereal, and plant our healthy vegetables. How beautiful it looks, and it's very healthy too. How beautifully the dominoes fall one after another. Yes! I have a better idea with dominoes. Let's circle it and count the dots. Now your task is to find the right domino and place it on the correct answer. You're doing great! I'm proud of you! I think you'll get excellent grades in math.